If you've ever missed an important meeting, appointment, or deadline, then this quick Google Calendar tutorial is going to help a lot. In this video, I'll show you how to set up event reminders via email in Google Calendar so you get notified before your events without having to constantly check your calendar. This is a simple way to stay organized, reduce missed appointments, and make sure important events never sneak up on you. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Google Calendar tips just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. This works best on desktop because the settings are easier to find and manage there. Once Google Calendar loads, look toward the top right corner and click the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you into the main Google Calendar settings page where you can control notifications, calendar preferences, and event options. Now, on the left side of the screen, look for the section labeled Settings for My Calendars. Here, you'll see a list of calendars connected to your account. Select the calendar you want to configure. This part is important because Google Calendar lets you set notifications separately for each calendar, so you want to make sure you're editing the right one. After selecting the calendar, scroll through the options until you find Event Notifications. This is the area where you can customize the alerts you receive for upcoming events. Click Event Notifications and then click Add Notification. Once the notification row appears, you'll see options to choose the notification type and the timing. Select Email as the notification method. This tells Google Calendar to send a reminder directly to your email inbox instead of, or in addition to, a browser alert or pop-up. Next, choose how long before the event you want to receive the reminder. You might choose 10 minutes before, 30 minutes before, 1 hour before, or even a day before, depending on how much advance notice you need. If you have meetings that require preparation, a longer reminder might work better. If it's a quick appointment, a shorter reminder may be enough. Once you've selected the time, Google Calendar saves the setting automatically. From that point on, the email reminder will be sent automatically before your events based on the timing you chose. You can also go back anytime and add more reminders if you want multiple email alerts for the same calendar. For example, you could set one reminder a day before and another one an hour before, so you have both early notice and a last-minute alert. That's a great option if you manage a busy schedule or don't want to risk missing anything important. And that's it. You've now set up event reminders via email in Google Calendar. It only takes a minute, but it can make a huge difference in staying on top of your schedule. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Google Calendar tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.